Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Python, an escape sequence is a combination of characters that represents a special meaning. One common use case is when you want to include a space character in a string without it being treated as just a space. Python provides the escape sequence \s for this purpose. Here's an informative tutorial with a code example. In Python, escape sequences are used to represent special characters in strings. One common scenario is when you want to include a space character in a string without it being interpreted as just a space. The escape sequence \s serves this purpose by allowing you to explicitly specify a space within a string. To use the escape sequence for space in Python, simply include \s in your string wherever you want a space to be. Output. In certain scenarios, you may encounter situations where a regular space character in a string might not behave as expected. For instance, when dealing with regular expressions or specific parsers, using the escape sequence for space ensures that the space is treated as a distinct character. It's important to note that the escape sequence \s is not a universally recognized escape sequence for space in all contexts. Its use might be specific to certain libraries or applications. In many cases, a regular space character would be sufficient, and the use of \s might not be necessary. The escape sequence \s in Python provides a way to include space characters in strings in a manner that distinguishes them from regular spaces. While it may not be required in every situation, understanding and using escape sequences appropriately can be beneficial in scenarios where explicit representation of spaces is crucial. Remember to check the specific documentation or requirements of the libraries or tools you are working with, as the usage of escape sequences can vary across different contexts. ChatGPT